Hey guys, welcome back to Blue Line Garage. This episode we're going to be working on an old trailer. It's a motorcycle trailer. A buddy of mine, basically, he's had it about 10 years. He greased up the bearings, put new tires on it, but just the floor itself is pretty rugged. They use regular pine wood, and you know what that happens on a trailer, it just falls apart. So we're going to take that off. We're actually going to rebuild the frame a little bit stronger. And the frame is also bent in the front, and we're going to try and line that up. So you'll be able to see that happening here in a little bit. So we're going to strip it all down. We're going to take all the wiring out. We're going to take all the lights out. We're going to put brand new lights, brand new wiring, more steel. And then we're also going to, and some of you guys might even see, you guys have these ramps where these little Pringles stick out. We're going to tack weld all these a little bit better. We're going to probably put an extra brace behind here, because my buddy loads his motorcycle constantly here, and you can see the grate's already bending. So we're going to make sure that that's all secure for him. So let me show you around the trailer a little bit here. So we're going to take these lights out, and then we're going to put LED new ones going across. We're going to basically sand down, grind down everything here. We're going to make these joints look a lot better. All right, we're going to paint everything off. We're going to grind these little tape lines off. Same thing here. We're going to take this light off, put a new one on. Now if you could see that it's slightly bent on the left. The left is dipping down a little bit, and that's easy to fix. I'm going to show you guys how to do that. So this is pretty much the trailer. You can see the floor is breaking off right here, little pieces. This is ridiculous. You can't tow anything with this like that. It's going to fall right through the floor. And then here you can kind of see the grate, what I was telling you about, how it bends. And they secured this side really good, just not the middle for some reason, but we're going to take care of that. So go ahead and watch this rebuild basically on speed camera here, and stay tuned. All right, guys, so what we went ahead and did, we ended up grinding everything down, make everything nice and smooth. Any type of stickers we took off except for the VIN sticker on the inside. So we're actually going to tape that up before we paint anything. Like I said, we grinded everything down. I tack welded a few spots that needed some welding. Same thing with the fence back here. I did some crappy welding jobs over here because of the thickness between the two metals. And that's about it. So we're going to go ahead and power wash this thing, clean this up. Once we're done power washing it, we're going to do it once over, make sure everything is good to go. Brush up anything we need to brush up. And then we're going to start painting. So let's check it out. All right, guys, so I got this LED light kit here, including the wiring. Let's go ahead and open it up. All right, and there you have it. That's everything in the kit that we need. Especially this. This is the most important. This is what we're going to be running around the whole trailer itself. This is an easy do-it-yourself kit. You don't need to buy anything extra unless you want some extra lights on the side, which you could tap off of this, and which we did. So we'll show you how that works. All right, guys, time to paint the frame. It's looking good so far. Ended up welding these extra braces up right here. It came out perfect. It's a lot of heavy duty, especially for a small trailer like this. But like I said, I'm rebuilding it for a buddy of mine, so I just want to make sure everything is top notch for him. Check that out. The paint is just gleaming at you. Beautiful. All right, so we got the box on here pretty good. And this is basically just gonna be like a storage box for some straps, things like that. This is a motorcycle trailer, so we got the bracket there. Now the bracket is not bolted down just yet, it's just for show. I have to let the wood breathe and dry, because when it dries, it's actually going to shrink a little bit or expand. I don't know, one of those. But I gotta let it dry for a few days. And I have a small little strip that I need to cut right over there, put that in, and then I'm just gonna put a strap there. But I'm gonna consider this project pretty much done. All right, that's the only thing I gotta do. I got some reflectors here, fenders painted, tires put on. I got some new lights right here, looking great. Painted the back. I put an extra support bar right here, so this doesn't bend down. And it's looking pretty good so far. It's a cool little project just for a day, just to knock this out. Nice LED lights. Everything's looking real good. Got new marker lights right up here. And then I also got this here, and I just got to finish this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and put a cord on it and then a little spring so it bounces back and forth. All right, guys, so that's a wrap for today's video. Basically, we just resurrected a trailer that was beat up, run down, and we cleaned it all up, and it actually looks pretty awesome. I'm glad I was able to do that for a friend of mine. So yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe right here. Ding ding. Okay, and also if you like our new shirts here, we have a website. It's listed right here. All right, these shirts are high quality. They're screen printed. They're real nice. The shirts, I mean, everything's good quality here. I got sweaters. You name it, I got it. V-neck. Go over to the website. All my shirts have a flag on the arm piece right here. I got my YouTube channel on the back. Not all my shirts have that. Check out the website. Make sure you order. My stock is limited, so make sure you place an order right away. Show some friends, whoever you like. I gave some out to some friends, and they couldn't believe the quality of the shirt. I am the one, the way your son don't need the most of the shirts you buy from other YouTubers, they're usually just picture printed on top. Quality isn't that great at all. But this here, this is primo. This is not gonna tear, it's not gonna rip, it's not gonna crack. I mean, this is the best stuff, you know what I'm saying? All right, so check out our website, like, subscribe, share with a friend, and that's it. Peace.